Phonic sounds. A says a, apple. B says b, b, ball. C says k, cat. D says d, dog. E says a, elephant. F says fish. G says g, grapes. H says h, horse. I says e, ink. J says j, jug. K says k, kite. L says l, lion. M says m, mango. N says n, nest. O says o, orange. P says papaya. Q says queen. R says rose. S says sun. T says tiger. U says umbrella. V says violin. W says watermelon. X says Xmas. Y says yak. Z says zebra. Thank you.